Hi, today in front of me ZTE V40s, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's hold for a while our device screen with the finger, and then here we'll see the widgets icon. Click here once, and after that we can see here all the available applications and widgets which we can add. For example, let's use the Google Chrome or the calendar widget. We can add the shadow or the full month view. Just to add the widget, we should click it just once here, and we'll see the widget here also. We can hold it and then just drag it to the home screen. After that, if you wanna just resize the widget, for example, you should hold it, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. If you wanna move widgets between the screens or just to create the new screens for the widgets, we should hold it and then just drag it. And to remove it from your home screen, you should hold it and click to remove icon. As you can see, that's all simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.